Are your Salesforce emails ending up in spam folders? That's a DKIM problem. I'll show you exactly how to activate a DKIM key in under 5 minutes. All right, so here's the plan. We're going to go from your Salesforce setup screen to a fully working DKIM key in 9 simple steps. And we start with the most obvious action. Click the gear icon in the top right corner to open Setup. Now, the very first thing you'll see after clicking that gear is a menu. You want to look for the option that says Open Advanced Setup. Click on that. It might take a second to load, but this is where the real configuration happens. Once that page finishes loading, you'll be in the main setup area. Go ahead and type DKIM into the Quick Find search box at the top. As you type, you'll see a list of results pop up below. Click on the one that says DKIM Keys. And here's the thing, I've walked through this exact process many times, so don't worry as this looks unfamiliar right now. You should now see a page that lists any existing DKIM keys you might have. We're going to create a new one, so click the button that says Create New Key. This opens the form we need. Now we get into the details. The first field asks for a selector name. This is a label for your key. I usually use something simple, like the year or the word mail. For example, you could type in 2025 or something similar. Just keep it short and recognizable. Next up is the alternate selector. This is basically a backup selector. You can type the same thing you put in the first field, or you can add a slightly different version. I often just add a number to the end, like mail to. It doesn't have to be complicated. Now we come to the most important field. Add your domain. This should be the exact domain you send emails from. So if your emails come from company.com, you type company.com here. Make sure there are no extra spaces or characters. This is what tells Salesforce which domain to sign. Below that, you'll see a field for domain match pattern. Now pay attention to this one. You want to use a wildcard here so that all subdomains are covered. Just type an asterisk, then a dot, then your domain name. So it looks like star.company.com. This tells Salesforce to apply the DKIM key to any subdomain of your main domain, which saves you from having to create a separate key for each one. Finally, scroll down and click the Save button. Let it process for a moment. Once it saves, you'll see your new key appear in the list. That's it. You've just activated a DKIM key in Salesforce. Your emails are now set up to be properly authenticated. That means they are going to land in inboxes instead of spam folders. No more worrying about damaged sender reputation or lost deliverability. You are good to go.